You must understand that the touch of your hand makes my pulse react. That it's only the thrill of boy meeting girl, opposites attract, and it's physical, only logical. You must try to ignore that it means more than that. Oh, what's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? Seems to you that I'm acting confused when you're close to me. Thank you so much for coming, everyone. If I tend till the days, and I've read it someplace, I got close to be. There's a need for it. There's a face that fits. But whatever the reason, you're gonna do it for me. Oh, what's love got to do? Say got to do with it. No, but a second-hand emotion. What's love got to do? I've been taking on a new direction, but I have to say, I've been thinking about my own protection. It scares me to feel this way. What's love got to do? No. Ladies and gentlemen, please switch into midnight mode. You will get some special, beautiful effects, let me tell you. So put it in the midnight mode. You don't want to miss it. Oh, baby, got to do with it. No. What's love got to do with it? Got to do with it. Oh, gotta do. Oh, fashion motion. Oh, gotta do with it. What's love got to do with it?